When can I leave my child alone at home? Safe age and guidelines. Are you wondering when it's safe to leave your child alone at home while you go to work? In this video, we'll explore the factors to consider and provide guidance to help you make an informed decision. Before leaving your child alone, consider their age, maturity level, and ability to follow safety rules. Assess their emotional readiness and ability to handle unexpected situations. Age guidelines. Children under 12 typically require adult supervision due to safety concerns and emotional needs. 12 to 13-year-olds may be ready for short periods of alone time, but evaluate their individual readiness. 14-15-year-olds can usually handle longer periods of alone time, but still assess their responsibility level. 16-year-olds and above can typically be left alone for longer periods, but consider their individual maturity. Section 3. Preparation and safety. Teach your child basic safety rules, such as emergency contact numbers and fire evacuation procedures. Ensure they know how to manage simple meals and snacks. Establish a plan for emergencies, including neighbor contacts and backup support. Remember, every child is unique, and it's crucial to evaluate their individual readiness for alone time. Start with small periods and gradually increase duration as they demonstrate their ability to handle it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.